Geoffrey Gambian. Geoffrey, please speak to OMEGA256.
Hey, it's okay. Hello, good evening, madam.
Hi, Geoffrey. How are you?
I'm okay.
Thank you for calling.
You're mostly welcome to Kitgum Municipal.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Hey, so I'm willing to see you today.
Have you gotten your ticket already?
Sorry?
Have you gotten your ticket yet?
I'm not yet.
Oh, then you should be coming to D Plus like right now.
Okay. If you can give me that chance, then it will be very okay.
Okay.
Geoffrey,
Yes.
in no mere king to get up in Ilmo Mega Colony, Madame. Madame, my friend. My friend.
That is the polite way of
That's not being sexy. It is not being sexy. but it's okay. It's okay. Me when I'm a team making a Geoffrey.
07 0788
0788. 445. All right, the last one. Where D Mage Koni Unibi Rata can give me a
what is the pain music? Then this book is Magimaro for comedy. That is Mego Mugai and Yakuda.
All right, get Kenya for to try picking in another caller. Hello? Yes, please. What for a better manga? Ruban Kene, talk to you, guy, Queen Music.
Abang la wara.
Hello?
Yo, bro.
Hey, what's up?
Iti
I can't say it.
iti over by makumi yo right.
Come on, yours.
Ingi wena way. Ingi wena di.
I'm winning my foot.
What way going in one kid though?
What way though?
If you don't love me. I know it can bro.
You tell me you get class. Ruban Kene.
Hey,
Me when I was chief.
Yamatima 076 26
26.
64 90.
90.
Hey,
All right, what for? Hello?
hello.
Tembo FM.
Ben,
Manga.
what's Benedict kick on the phone?
Yes, Benedict.
Hey,
What team in the name?
huh?
What team in the name?
I'm more than
All right, look, Sunny.
Hello?
hello, Fanny.
Hey, yo, my attending.
I come on back, Connor, again.
I'm back to my bed.
I saw when you're doing it.
Bed,
One more take cool it down.
look, I'm pay no ticket, you don't.
Get out of foot, sir.
Okay, we I mean, I'm a geeky my trial, I'm a geeky.
Put me in the class, I'm not on the bed.
May I get it?
We are putting with the mobile company, I am a bed.
Amen.
Tell me where I'm at.
Mobile, can you matter?
Okay. I fired. Okay, what record label my aki?
Huh?
What record label my aki?
Right.
And Ake dul way many dul par way many.
This for the way, man.
Well, me kind of down to Tembo FM.
No.
Yes, Manga. Brian. Now, Brian, bed my shit, you told you are D, my name is Bangas Studio.
How will you do on OMEGA256? How will you do on K Music? How will you do on Latin King Dance? How will you do on Dharma in Go?
Dan Mapolia, you were all right, and I'm a chimney, bro.
794
794
92 86 44.
44. All right, for the 12. Let's wind up. Final Sunny music. Bit my chip down.
The moment we are watching him a pulpe, I lay down when we be on the class in the Armatine. What a matter on a corner.
Okay. Yeah, Cave.
I pay a lot of my dear rubber man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I pay a lot of my drum. Down when the Kitgum will be in, or be on our wine. Ubirichane. Angay tini kareti wa kwa na churi tiki chama dongo beno churi tiki chama hiyo pa. So ubian wa maka kono.
Okay. Well, finally, as we come down to the end of the show, and always will be leading to D+, what finally do you have to tell our listeners?
Well, first of all, I appreciate the people of Kitgum. I appreciate the love, the hospitality, and the fact that they don't only support us, but they support their own talents. It's something that I really, really love so much as someone that has been considered a regional artist before. But I don't have much to say. I felt the love this evening while we're doing the drive, and I call everybody to come through to D+, like right now, because as we speak up, I'm just going to go get ready, and then I go wait for you. If you don't come, I will.
Yeah, that's
but I can't wait to see you all. Come, let's have a good time, people.
All right. Yeah, mero no kelo ya giki me we mau kasi botin indong kenen furi dong gang la we mono wa na burri or no am la bing. Indong kay burro ini bur giri yo.